Stop there. Stop there. You're under arrest.
No.
Hold on.
And don't smash my face.
Okay, item. One. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, go, Axe. Oh, I'm the king. I'm the king.
No, I'm the king.
Oh, they're fighting. Okay. Cut it out.
No, we want to fight.
Bam! Then I'll use my ultimate attack with this little...
Another plushie.
In
Are you okay? I brought this for you.
thanks, I like bears.
Now come over here and say you're sorry.
Sorry.
Say it like you love him.
Sorry. It's fine. It's fine.
You baddie.
Okay. Is the video over? Like, I do not like it. Hey, bro! You just broke the fourth wall. Bro. Okay, we got to end the video here. Hey guys, Gaspar and Liv here. She's gonna be in our videos here from now on.
So yeah.
She's our newest member to the channel. Yeah, so make sure you go like and subscribe if you want to see more.
Yes.
Bye.